Are you a guitar player? Well, you might be holding on to some bad habits that are holding back your progress. In this video, we'll explore 10 common bad habits that all guitar players must break to become better players. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video. One is most common for beginner players. Number 10, holding the pick correctly. If you hold the pick the right way, you'll get a better tone and have more options down the road. What we don't want to do is tee with the queen, like this. Thumbs up, pick goes right here in the back of this knuckle, and like this. Number 9, bad posture. Having bad posture can lead to injury and can make your playing much less efficient, and trust me, it really doesn't look that cool. Number 8, not warming up properly or not even warming up at all. Again, we want to prevent injury, plus warming up will put you in the zone a lot faster. Number 7, not dampening the strings or squeezing too hard when you play the notes. This will make your guitar sound like a crazy loud noise box, or worse yet, a cat being run over by a truck. Nails on a chalkboard. Number 6, ignoring music theory. You should probably learn the language if you want to speak it. Number 5, only playing songs that you're familiar with. Playing the same thing over and over and over and over. If you're finding value in today's video about overcoming these bad habits, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell for notifications. Number 4, rushing the tempo because you're not practicing with a metronome. Number 3, way too much distortion and way too many effects. Make sure your sound is clear enough so you can hear what you're playing. Number 2, being obsessed with speed, playing as fast as you can, but totally ignoring rhythm guitar playing. Playing fast can be cool, but playing with feel is cooler, and rhythm guitar is where you make your money. And number 1 of all time, strumming way too hard. If you find that any or all those habits apply to you, put in some time to make some changes. You'll also find a lot of lessons on this channel that will help you with overcoming some of those habits. Thank you so much for checking out the video. I'll see you next time.